Hey everyone, you want recruiters to actually read your profile? Let's fix your LinkedIn summary in 4 steps. First is start with a hook. Open with a bold statement or unique value. Like for example, I'll help startup grow from 0 to 100,000 users through smart producing marketing. 2 is to highlight key achievements. Briefly list 2 to 3 big wins. Like for example, increased web traffic by 250% in 6 months, or like manage $1 million in ad spend with 4.8 times ROI. Third is to mention skills plus goal. Show what you do and what you are looking for. I specialize in data analytics, Python, and Excel, currently seeking remote data roles in fintech. Fourth is to end with a call to action. Prompt engagement, like for example, feel free to connect or message me. Always happy to chat. And those are the tips to write a summary that gets your profile noticed. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.